Get a jump start on the growing season with the Jumpstart Hot House with Seedling Heat Mat. The Hot House is perfect for veteran growers, beginners, and children too. Whether you're starting from seeds or cuttings, the Seedling Heat Mat improves germination and rooting by warming the root area 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit above room temperature. The 7.5-inch dome gives you control over the humidity your plants need to thrive. It includes a base tray, 72-cell insert, vented dome, and heat mat. Get started quickly with your own growing media and plugs or purchase them separately for a complete system setup. The Jumpstart Seedling Heat Mat is UL listed and provides gentle heat that will never damage roots. It speeds up germination and improves propagation. The waterproof heat mat maintains just the right temperature to promote faster rooting or germination without overheating your plants. Instructions and growing tips are printed right on the mat for your convenience. The 7.5-inch humidity dome is tall enough to root larger cuttings if desired. It has 3 patented built-in adjustable vents so you can retain as much or as little humidity as you wish. By controlling the growing environment when seedlings are young, you can help ensure your plants have the strong root system they need for a healthy, long life. The Jumpstart Hot House with Seedling Heat Mat. Create the perfect nurturing environment for your cuttings and seeds. Jumpstart. Brought to you by Hydrofarm.